Welcome to the Assetto application demo, the best solution for managing your hospital assets. The first step is to run the chem test to detect hospital assets using the YOLO algorithm for detection and leaf sort for object tracking. Assetto consists of two main files, such as chemtest.py for detection and data scanning, and service.py for sending data to the server. These files work together to ensure that data is stored and transmitted correctly. The detected data is automatically saved in an SQLite tree database. Our local database contains a table with columns, ID object, ID item, the name of item, time for scan, confidence score or accuracy, and is sent to server column. The is sent to server column indicates whether the data has been sent to the server. If not, the value will remain for 0. Next, enter the device ID according to the Assetto application data that has been pre-configured to ensure a proper connection with the system. The file of service.py file uses an endpoint of the server to receive the transmitted data. Data with a send to server value at 0 will be automatically sent to server. The landing page of assetto.id, where you can learn more about Assetto features and service. On this landing page, you can explore various key features of Assetto design to simplify your hospital asset management. Let's process to the application login process. Assetto integrates advanced object detection with efficient data management to streamline your hospital asset management. Login to the application with the admin role using your username and password. Once you log in, you will be directed to the main dashboard, which consists of 5 key features such as inventory data, asset search, asset sensors, master data, and user management. In the sensor menu, there are several sub-menus. For the first, sensor for create, read, update, and delete operation on device data. For the second, sensor location to manage the placement of sensor that have been detected. And for the third is sensor data log to display all data collected by the camera. And for the last is sensor post-processing to display data that has been processed based on ID on confidence score. Next, in the inventory data menu, there are sub-menus. For the first, asset item. Asset item display all items based on the master asset and allows you to add, view stock, and perform create, read, and update and delete operations. And the second is asset allocation. For asset allocation, for create, read, update, and delete operations based on the asset item. And the last, asset distribution, for visualizing the distribution of assets by building and floor. Page for asset search allows you to find assets by name, item code, location, and view a list of assets in each row. Asset master include create, read, update, and delete operations for buildings, asset types, and asset categories. This section allows us to update master data, view items, and add items by entering item codes, vendors, receipt dates, purchase prices, item condition, location, and room placement. Once inputted, the system can generate asset into the form of RFID barcodes, which can be printed to facilitate the asset labeling process. We can then search for assets by available hospital building units and update them. Once done, the next step is to add sensor location according to the ID device that was added earlier by setting the room placement and clicking Save. In the master data section, we can add building data by entering the location ID, name, unit name, registration number, building, and floor details, then clicking Save. This feature greatly simplifies the management of assets available in specific buildings. In the item category list, you can add item categories according to the focus of the assets, whether it is consumable, movable, or immovable. Meanwhile, user management allows us to manage user data, including detailed information and authentication based on role. These features include full name, username, email address, user level, description, and password reset, which can only be accessed by admin for settings. Here, the application authentication menu to manage which information can be accessed by specific users. For users with the employee role, access is unlimited to the dashboard, asset distribution, and asset search, including the search asset and find by location features. In the asset research process, there is a filter feature that facilitates employees in finding assets. Additionally, employee can view a two-dimension visualization of asset distribution through the asset distribution feature. They can also view detailed assets that have been generated with a barcode output that can be accessed at any time. Here, the result of performance of object tracking and detection with two examples such as hand sanitizer and tensimeter. There are two performance test cases. For the first, when objects are placed together in one frame, And for the case 2 is when objects are placed alternately in one frame. In the test conducted, the system achieved an object detection accuracy rate of 94%. This indicates that most objects were correctly recognized and detected by the system. Additionally, the multiple object tracking accuracy was recorded at 75.3%. This data reflects the system's ability to maintain tracking of detected objects over time, despite some errors such as a false positive, false negative, and ID switches. Thank you for watching the Aceto application demo. We hope the system can be implemented in the largest hospitals so that its benefits can be more widely felt. For more information, visit our website to aceto.id. Aceto, the smart solution for your hospital asset management.